Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to make a business account on Twitter. Let's dive right in. Start by opening the Twitter app and either logging in or signing up. Once you're in, head over to your profile on the top left corner of your screen. Then click on Profile button. Next, you'll want to edit your profile. So, click on Edit Profile button. And then click on Switch to a professional. Then click on Agree and Continue. From there, follow the prompts. First, tell a description about yourself. Then click on Next. Then choose a category that suits your business. And select your account type as Create or Business. You can either customize your profile right away or skip this step and do it later. And that's how you make a business account on Twitter. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.